You're in jail.
I'm in jail.
Oh no. We better escape and go down the slide.
Yeah, that's the slide where crocodiles come up.
Oh, they come up there, huh?
That kid found a way.
You found a way.
It's the creepiest way of all.
The creepiest way of all, huh?
This is the slide to get out of this place.
Is this the slide to get out? You better go.
That was very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
You're in jail. Hurry and get out. That's what I'm talking about. Go the other way. Go the other way. I just did. Did you like that story?
Yep.
Want to try that again?
Try. Go ahead. Try it again.
They first went into the forest.
She's going into the forest. Wow, it's super scary in the forest. Oh no, she's in jail again. How's she gonna get out? The crocodiles come up this slide. Go down, around, and up.
Who's hurrying?
She's hurrying.
Did you like that story? Now let me see it.
Say hi.
Hi.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Oh yeah?
And I'm the toughest one in the place.